Tired of coming home to surprise bills after using your phone abroad? Today, we're diving deep into US Mobile's international roaming to see if it's the key to affordable global connectivity. First, let's talk coverage. US Mobile boasts coverage in over 140 countries. Check their website for the most up-to-date map to confirm your destination is included. This step is crucial. Now for the crucial part, pricing. US Mobile offers pay-as-you-go rates and data passes. Pay-as-you-go is charged per MB, text, or minute, while data passes offer a set amount of data for a fixed price and period. Compared to the big carriers, US Mobile often comes out cheaper, especially for short trips and light data usage. The benefit: you can stay connected for maps, translation apps, or even sharing those vacation pics without fearing a huge bill to activate. You will need to log into your US Mobile account, choose the international roaming option, and select a plan based on your travel destination and the length of the trip. Then, enable data roaming on your phone. However, be very careful to monitor your usage through the US Mobile app to avoid exceeding the data. You may also purchase another plan if needed. So, is US Mobile international roaming worth it? For budget-conscious travelers who need basic connectivity and are willing to monitor their data usage, it's a solid option. But if you need guaranteed high speeds or heavy data usage, you might want to explore other alternatives or local SIM options. Remember to weigh the pros and cons based on your specific travel needs.